Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about Audi A6 car. Audi A6 price. The Audi A6 ranges between 59.99 rupees lakh and 65.99 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Audi A6 variants. The sedan can be had in two variants, Premium Plus and Technology. Audi A6 engine and transmission. Under the hood is a 2-liter TFSI engine that makes 245 PS and 370 Nm. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Audi A6 features. Audi has packed it with 4-zone climate control, wireless phone charger, ventilated and powered front seats, connected car tech, a digital driver's display, and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Audi A6 safety. Safety kit on board includes 8 airbags, ABS with EBD, front and rear parking sensors, electronic stability program, and traction control. Audi A6 rivals. It fights it out with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, BMW 5 Series, and the Jaguar XF. Audi A6 available in 5 different colors. Glacier White Metallic, Firmament Blue Metallic, Manhattan Gray Metallic, Mythos Black Metallic, Chronos Gray Metallic. Specification of Audi A6. Array mileage 14.11 kmpl. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1984 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 241.3 bhp at 5000-6500 rpm. Max torque 370 Nm at 1600-4500 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Boot space 560 liters. Fuel tank capacity 73 liters. Body type sedan. Ground clearance unladen 165 mm. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.